Welcome back to Rocky Knob Farm and our YouTube channel. I'm Jason Akers. We're getting ready to pick some more corn where we haven't had any rain in over, I think it's been 13 days here. It's really putting a hurting on us. We've got a patch of corn here. It's actually our third patch. It should be in. And it's not in yet because the ears haven't filled all the way out. What little bit of rain we've had, it ain't been enough to matter. Hoping we get some rain tonight for our patch. Well, we got quite a bit of rain, and that was a prayer answered. It's amazing how much that corn can grow in just a day with some rain and sunshine. We try to wait till late evening, but man, it's still been hot. As you can see, everybody's drinking plenty of water. Looks like a date to me. You can tell we're in a new patch and pretty fast production. Okay, folks, we got another load picked. Ready for the farmer's market again. Now it's time to go home and pick some green beans and pull some more tomatoes from the high tunnel. Still got beautiful green beans. They're hanging everywhere in pods. Okay, so some of our cucumbers have already died out in the high tunnel, and she's replanted, and you can see they're already taking off real good. We still got them down the row some, and still got them outside. So as she picks them, she brings them in, looks at them over again, and puts them in boxes. The reason we use boxes is boxes are stackable. It makes it a whole lot easier to handle without mashing them or bruising them during transport to the farmer's market. Beautiful tomatoes. Look at these beautiful tomatoes the Tabs are picking. The vines are full of them. I've been wanting to do a video on all the tomatoes, but here we go. Okay, so there's about 185 or 190 plants in here. We have some indeterminate and determinate. Most of you probably know indeterminate. It'll grow and grow and grow, where a determinate only gets so high. Here's an example of a determinate. Here's an indeterminate. They just keep getting higher and higher and higher. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.